Welcome to the shimmering world of the rainbow shiner.
Known scientifically as Notropus chrosomus, this fish is a living gem. Originating from North America, it brings a rainbow to your tank.
The species was first discovered in the beautiful rivers of Alabama.
They reach a maximum size of just 7 centimeters.
The body is covered in shimmering purple, yellow, and red.
A brilliant silver stripe runs perfectly along the side.
In a well-lit tank, the fish glow exactly like neon lights. With proper care, the fish can live for 3 to 5 years.
Always keep a group of at least 10 fish for the best display.
Schooling makes the small fish feel safe and secure.
The fish are highly active in the upper and middle water levels.
Constant movement is the signature behavior of this active species. During the breeding season, the male fish transforms completely.
The fins of the male turn into a striking bright blue.
The head of the breeding male changes to a deep purple. A bright red nose completes the indelible parnas, the incredible breeding dress.
The vivid colors are designed to attract a female partner.
Provide a minimum tank size of 75 liters.
A large tank provides the necessary swimming space.
Decorate the tank with smooth rocks to mimic a natural river.
Natural driftwood creates excellent hiding spots.
Dense aquatic plants make the fish feel right at home.
A strong water current is absolutely essential.
The fish love to swim directly against the strong flow.
High oxygen levels keep the fish healthy and energetic. Be very careful. The fish are notorious jumpers.
A tight and secure lid is mandatory to prevent escapes.
Jumping often happens during feeding or breeding seasons.
Maintain the water temperature between 21 and 28 degrees.
The fish prefer slightly cooler water than tropical species.
Keep the pH level stable between 6 and 8.
The fish are omnivores and love to eat live bloodworms.
Frozen foods are also an excellent dietary choice.
High-quality flakes provide great daily nutrition.
Sinking pellets ensure the fish get food in the middle zone.
Enters. The fish are not picky eaters and have a great appetite.
The natural breeding season occurs from May to July.
The fish reach full breeding maturity at 12 months old.
The adults will quickly eat the eggs if left together.
Always remove the parents immediately after the spawning process.
Separation ensures the tiny fry survive and grow safely.
A planted tank makes the rainbow colors truly spectacular.
The fish are peaceful and perfect for a community tank. Avoid keeping the fish with large or aggressive tank mates.
The fish add endless motion and life to the aquascape.
The schooling wave looks exactly like a moving rainbow.
In nature, the fish often hunt for small insects.
Hello there! The fish are bold and love to interact with the owner.
Notice the beautiful transparent fins on the female fish.
The males become very active during the breeding chase.
At night, the active fish finally rest near the bottom.
The morning light triggers a burst of energetic swimming. The strong lateral line is a key feature of the species.
The streamlined body allows for incredible burst speed.
The fish navigate through dense plants with perfect ease.
Green moss provides the perfect contrasting background.
Small bottom feeders make excellent tank companions.
Even in a fast current, the fish can hover perfectly still.
The mouth is small, so crush the food flakes thoroughly.
A large school is a breathtaking visual masterpiece.
Bright LED lights enhance the metallic shine of the scales.
Shadowy areas offer the fish a place to relax and retreat.
Each individual scale reflects light like a tiny mirror. The fish naturally seek out the strongest water flow.
The group dynamics are endlessly fascinating to observe.
Males display their colors to establish breeding dominance.
Always ensure the water temperature remains perfectly stable.
A plump belly is a great sign of an excellent diet.
Smooth pebbles simulate the natural riverbed environment perfectly.
Live Daphnia triggers the natural hunting instinct of the fish.
The group forms a tight ball when feeling slightly startled.
A gradual light dimming helps the fish transition to sleep.
A natural light cycle keeps the fish healthy and stress-free.
Notice the beautiful bright orange coloration on the belly.
Rapid zigzag swimming is a sign of high energy.
Clean water prevents diseases and keeps the colors vibrant.
The fish are incredibly fast when competing for daily food.
A balanced diet results in calm and contented behavior.
A dark background makes the rainbow colors truly explode.
These loose delinquent. Bright and clear eyes are the ultimate indicator of health.
The fish are perfectly designed for a life in motion.
The silver underbelly helps camouflage the fish from below.
Tall background plants create a stunning visual depth.
The synchronized motion is pure aquatic poetry.
The fish are highly curious about any new tank additions.
The fish are highly sensitive to sudden overhead movements.
The courtship dance is a spectacular display of vibrant nature. The fish possess an excellent internal biological clock.
A mixed gender group provides the best color variety. The ultimate rainbow jewel of the freshwater aquarium.
A perfect blend of brilliant colors and elegant shape.
Bring the incredible rainbow shiner to your home today.
Like, share, and subscribe for more fish guides.
Hit the bell to join our aquatic community.
Have you ever kept the rainbow shiner? Comment below.
The ultimate 5-star fish for any active river setup.
This is the aquatic lie.
Happy fish keeping.